name is Patrick. Last year, me and my partner did a lot of travel around Australia. We had an old Engel fridge and it really chewed through the power, so we turned it off at night. It also sounded very loud. It's like a jet plane when we were trying to sleep. So when we got back from our travels, we thought, you know what, we're going to buy a really good fridge. And we did. We went to Caravan RV Camping and we got the DC50X, a Bushman, and we couldn't be happier. It's such a good little fridge. We loved that it was upright because it makes it so much easier to get in and get what we need out of it, instead of those fridges that you've got to, like, you know, you need to get a drawer and stuff. Holds all the food that we need, has a great little freezer for ice, and we couldn't be happier with it. Thank you very much.